Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V2M Visionary, and I'm here today with one of my favorite low-cost items for your custom or performance Harley-Davidson or Indian. It is the ODI V-Twin lock-on grips. These things are super comfortable. They lock on, so they're not going anywhere once they're on. They don't twist around or anything. They have great rubber on them. Really nice looking aluminum as well. They come in a few different colors. This is the Heart Luck design. My man Kerry Hart worked with ODI on these for this beautiful looking waffle grip, kind of a vintage waffle MX grip. Retro, as some would say. I have these on all my personal bikes. I don't have a bike that doesn't have these on there. For me, they feel really good. I'm a BMX kid and have ridden a little bit of motocross, but BMX wise, it's got that good feeling. As you can see, it doesn't, it's not huge, but yet it's not small. And the waffle works really well on keeping your hands dry if you're not wearing gloves. And also, if you do wear gloves, it doesn't stick too much. It's got a good sticky feel, but it's not, gross sticky. Like I said, I really like these. If you're looking for some new grips, I would definitely hit ODI up first because they're well worth the amount of money that you pay for these guys.